This short video tutorial is for creating RMS credit codes and how to activate them. A single credit enables RMS monitoring for one device for 30 days. First credit comes free with a new device, and following that, RMS credits require additional purchase. Let's log in into our RMS account and look at how we can manage our RMS credits. First, we go to the Service tab. Here we find Management. It's an essential page to manage device monitoring and to check your RMS credit coverage. For example, we will be able to monitor our devices until July 2023. The next important part is the credits section. In the screen's right corner, let's click the profile name to reveal the credits section. Small tip, you can always find the total remaining credits for your account here. Next, let's click on Credits. To create a code, let's go to Credit Codes. In the new window, we will find a table with previously generated codes. Next, move the mouse cursor to the credit codes and then click on Create. In the pop-up window, specify the number of credits you want to assign the new code. Optionally enter the comment and then click the Create button. At the top of the table, a new entry will appear showing the code and all the details. To demonstrate how to activate the code, we will connect to a new RMS account without any RMS credits. As you can see, this account does not have any credits. In the screen's right corner, we click on the profile name to reveal the credits section, and next click on Credits, but this time we select Activate Code. We enter our credit code and click on the Activate button. After activation, you can quickly check the number of credits in the drop-down menu. We can also go back to the Credits menu, click on Credits History and find the number of credits added and all the information. Also, we can generate a PDF report by clicking on the button in the Actions column. The report contains detailed information about activated credits, usage and devices. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments section. Be sure to check our other RMS tutorials and subscribe for more Teltonika Networks content. Thank you for watching.